If your VW Atlas is struggling to maintain an Apple CarPlay connection, you are not alone. Statistics show that over 60% of connectivity issues are resolved with simple software resets. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your phone back online. Start by inspecting your cable, cleaning the charging port, and unpairing the device from both systems. Check these 3 software culprits, including outdated iOS versions and system cache conflicts. If that fails, try a hard reboot of your infotainment unit or a network settings reset on your phone. Most issues are owner fixable, but hardware faults in the USB hub will require a dealer visit. This chart shows that most resolutions cost nothing, though hardware failures can reach $250. Follow this diagnostic flow, moving from simple reboots all the way to a system factory reset. Always ensure you are using a high-quality MFI-certified cable to prevent intermittent data syncing. Persistence is key, but remember that forcing a damaged port can lead to more expensive repairs. If these steps did not resolve your issue, check the VW forums for specific firmware updates for your model year.